Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Rani Nurul Hatimah and people usually call me Rani. We need to know the future perfect continuous tense because it can help us to convey more specific and accurate information about actions that will take place in the future. By understanding the future perfect continuous tense, we can use English more fluently and effectively in communication, especially in situations where we want to describe actions or activities that will take place in the future and finish at a certain time in the future. So, today I will explain about future perfect continuous tense. Let me see the table of content. I divided this explanation into three content. First, about definition of future perfect continuous tense. The second one, recognize future perfect continuous tense. And the last one, using and write future perfect continuous tense. Let me see the definition about future perfect continuous tense. What is future perfect continuous tense? So guys, the future perfect continuous tense is used when we speak to imagine ourselves in the future and talk about something in the past. This tense leads to an action or event that is currently unfinished but will be complete in the future. So, this tense has a function to express an action that will be done in the future, but the action is still being done or still in the process at that time. For more details, we can see from the time illustration. We have three times, which is past, present, and future. The actions start in the past, or in the present, or in the future. And the action or event is still ongoing and in process until at the place where in the picture I put a cross. That means the time limit of an ongoing event or the completion of an action. Next, we will discuss about recognize future perfect continuous tense. This is some characteristic of future perfect continuous tense. 1. The predicate that is often used in this tense is shall or will. We can use will to all subjects, but we can use shall just to subject I and we. 2. After the word have is the word been, which shows that the action is already being done. 3. In the sentence using present participle, verb 1 and suffix ing. 4. Although the sentence shows the third singular word, the word have does not change to has. This is because it is a pattern sentence formula that cannot be changed. 5. Using adverbs of time such as for, next, at this time tomorrow, for 2 weeks by next month, by the end of 2000, by the end of this week, and so on. And the last, we will discuss about using and write future perfect continuous tense. This is the formula to using and write future perfect continuous tense. For positive sentence, we can use subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object and plus complement. Example, I shall have been sitting under the trees since 11 a.m. For negative sentence, we can use subject plus will or shall plus not plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus complement. Example, she will not have been swimming with her friends for 2 hours. And for interrogative sentence, we can use will or shall plus subject plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus complement, and don't forget the question mark. Example, will you have been working for 2 hours when I arrive? There are two forms of formulas for interrogative sentence, and the difference at the beginning of the interrogative sentence and how to answer the interrogative sentence. First formula, like what I say before, we can use will or shall plus subject plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus complement and the question mark. Example, will you have been making a cake for 3 years? The answer, we can say yes or no. In this example, I use yes. So, yes, I will have been making a cake for 3 years. And the second formula, we can use question word plus will or shall plus subject plus have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object plus complement and question mark. Example, when will you have been taking your exam? The answer, I'll have been taking my exam by this time next month. That's all my explanation. Please apologize if there are any mistakes. I hope this video can be useful and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.